Imagine a book, revealed over 1,400 years ago, that speaks about the creation of the universe, the development of life, and the mysteries of nature, long before modern science even existed. This book is the Quran, and its verses contain astonishing insights that align with modern scientific discoveries. Could this be a coincidence, or is it a sign of something greater? Let's explore the fascinating connections between the Quran and modern science. Let's start with the creation of the universe. The Big Bang Theory is one of the most widely accepted scientific explanations for how the universe began. It states that the universe started from a single point and has been expanding ever since. Now, listen to this verse from the Quran. Surah Al-Anbiya, chapter 21, verse 30. Do the disbelievers not realize that the heavens and earth were one mass, then we split them apart? This verse describes a time when the heavens and earth were joined together, and then they were separated, a striking parallel to the Big Bang Theory. How could a book from the 7th century describe something that scientists only discovered in the 20th century? Next, let's talk about the miracle of human creation. Modern embryology tells us that a human develops in stages, from a fertilized egg to a fully formed baby. The Quran describes this process in incredible detail. Surah Al-Mu'minun, chapter 23, verses 12 to 14. We created man from an extract of clay. Then we made him as a drop in a place of settlement, firmly fixed. Then we made the drop into an alaka, leech-like clot. Then we made the alaka into a mudghah, chewed-like substance. The Quran uses terms like alaka and mudghah, which accurately describe the stages of embryonic development. Scientists have confirmed that the embryo does indeed resemble a leech in its early stages, and a chewed-like substance as it develops. How could anyone in the 7th century have known this? Now, let's look at the Earth itself. The Quran mentions mountains as stabilizers for the planet. Surah An-Naba, chapter 78, verses 6 to 17. Have we not made the earth a resting place, and the mountains as stakes? Modern geology tells us that mountains have deep roots that stabilize the earth's crust, preventing it from shaking. The Quran refers to mountains as stakes, which is a perfect analogy for their function. Isn't it amazing how this ancient text aligns with modern science? Another fascinating example is the water cycle. The Quran describes the process of evaporation, cloud formation, and rain in vivid detail. Surah Az-Zumar, chapter 39, verse 21. Do you not see that Allah sends down rain from the sky, making it flow through the earth into springs, then producing with it crops of varying colors? This verse perfectly explains the water cycle, which scientists only fully understood centuries later. How could a desert-dwelling society in the 7th century have known about this intricate process? Finally, let's talk about the expansion of the universe. In 1929, Edwin Hubble discovered that the universe is expanding. But the Quran mentioned this phenomenon long before. Surah Ad-Dariyat, chapter 51, verse 47a. And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed, we are its expander. The word expander here directly refers to the expansion of the universe. How could this have been known without advanced technology? These are just a few examples of how the Quran aligns with modern science. From the creation of the universe to the development of life, the Quran offers insights that continue to amaze scientists and thinkers alike. Whether you're a believer or a curious explorer, these connections invite us to reflect on the profound wisdom of the Quran. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Let me know in the comments, what other topics would you like me to explore? Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep seeking knowledge.